Alright guys, what is up? Welcome to K3 Eats. Today I went back to Beard Papa's. This is their holiday box. Really good looking, cute looking box that they got ready for the holidays. Again, I am a big fan of Beard Papa's, particularly their honey butter. So today I got a combo of original and honey butter. They only had 2 of these left, so I had to get them both, and I got 2 extra originals. This is the original. It's just a cream puff with powdered sugar and vanilla filling inside. This is the cream puff that started the Beard Papa's franchise, and then this is the holy grail, in my opinion, the honey butter. You got a honey butter glaze over their cream puff, and this is amazing pastry that is great for any occasion and great for any post meal treat, dessert. Just have one, don't have a lot, you know. Each one is, I'd say, 300 calories each, I'm guessing. You know, I try to ask the person, the worker today, the employee, how many calories is in a cream puff, and unfortunately she didn't know. So let's see what is inside. Look at that crack. Look at that. Look at that vanilla custard. This custard, I believe, consists of milk, cream, and egg yolk blended to perfection. Look at that. Don't get me wrong, the original still amazing, but the honey butter just makes everything perfect. Alright, so right now, the originals, they're $2.75 each, but the honey butters, they're $3.25. And at every Beard Papa's location, if you buy 6, you get $1 off. If you buy a dozen, you get $3 off. They just want you to buy. Keep buying and buying and buying and buying. Welcome to America. Yep, the honey butter. The best. The absolute very best. Alright guys. Excuse me. Thank you so much for watching. That was K3 Eats. Peace.